Welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to take bees home and we are going to eat bees baby. Let's see how we are going to take, okay? My dear friends, if you like my video, you can share it, you can like it, you can comment it, and you can subscribe it. Look, our parties are here. We are going to take our small bees home. How they stung us, or if they are not stung us, we are fine. If they are not stung us, we are not fine. Now we are going to take bees home. Our parties are here. Our party is coming here. Now we are going to take bees home, okay? If they are stung or not stung, let's see. And how we are going to take out the bees home. We are pro from bees taking home party. See. The bees is here in this tree hole. Bees home is here in the tree hole. Singles are coming out. So they are looking food. This. Yes. Take out. This boy is going to take our bees home. Now the bees are going to cry because we are going to take their home. Do it right now, man. The rain is going to come again. 손 안 가서 저기 로. 해도 더. 저 사인 소리 좀 더. 밑바람 상나게 되고요. 밑바람 상나게 돼. 새 힘내냐 짜짜로 지금 짜짜 TV래 너. Look how the bees are crying because of taking their home. Bees are flying. Look. Bees are flying. One boy is running. One boy is running. Look. Bees are stung him. Do it right now. Go do. Do man, don't afraid man. That is small bee man. Oh, that is small bee. Don't afraid. Do it right now. Power, do it man. Dance doing or what? Dance doing or what? नहीं फिर रहा तो सीख रहे थे One boy is eating by the bee, stung by the bee. 자, 어려서 기금만 누파 거에 시제. 아니, 매도 미 먹는 거. Now we are going to start our second time. Wait, no problem. No, it's the Lord. Now the bee is crying. The bee is crying because of their home is taken by us.
Now we're going to start our program.
Yes, do like that. Miss like bila dah bau. Now we are going to start by the chainsaw. Oh, oh, this home is taken out by this boy. Wow, very nice. Wow. No, Kuidang is not having what? Having. And the Kui one is. Maganda 말이야. 수바인 거네. direct ngalo ba. Kaka sumana ke mua. There's a beach hole, man. Bees eating you or what? Bagara ngara. You five This is bees honey or what? Bee honey. Oh. Bee young one is not having or what? Bee young one is very little now. As soon as I got deal grow. Lalaman tama ka. Betul lah saya. Ini kayu ini kayu. Ya gadia terus. No tío so no tengo so ahora te alautin. Ya awak kan ngai. Itu lah ubah ni. Wah. Angkat tasty or what? Tasty. Ada tu ni, macam mana cakap tu? Cuma kayu sana tu tengah mana ni? Very tasty. Very tasty. Lebih mana? Macam lebih ni ada. Lebih ada. Macam lebih ni. Bagian this one. Murah kau apa? Betul. Oh, ni. Now we are returning our home.